Hello everyone, my name is Akhil. In this video we are going to discuss about some of the important model questions on ages topic. So let's start. In ages topic you will be asked three types of questions generally. Ages topic generally you will be asked the questions on percentages and on ratios. Ratios is very important. Okay, and averages. Okay, based on percentages they might ask, based on ratios they might ask, or based on averages. Definitely you can expect 1 to 2 questions in preliminary examination. If you are writing SSCGL, one question generally. The other question will be asked on averages. That is a separate topic. One question definitely will be asked. That will be very easy. So you have to crack it somehow based on they will be asked on these three models only. If something more to be discussed, we will discuss that in while we are solving model questions. But let's stick to only the conceptual part in this video. Let's see one by one. But let's see first of all, there are two persons, names A and B. There are three types, right? Let me take in the linear order. A and B. This is percentage of A is A and percentage of B is B. Okay, percentage of one person is A and percentage of one person is B. So this is present. Next, after 10 years. After 10 years means after 10 years the age of this person will be A plus 10. Yes or no? That means this is future only. After 10 years, what will be the age of B? It will be B plus 10. So this is present, this is after 10 years, and past. Suppose past is 5 years back, 5 years ago. So A minus 5 and this is B minus 5. So in the questions how it will be framed means they might ask you what is the relation between their past ages. They might ask you they will give you the relation between their past ages and they will give you the relation between their present ages, and they will ask you to find out what is the percentages of A and B. They may give you the relation between these two, or they may give you the relation between these two. Suppose after 10 years A's age will be after for example I am taking after 10 years A's age will be twice that of B's age at the same time after 10 years. So what you will tell, what is A's age after 10 years? It is A plus 10, that is equal to will be or is or was. If the words are helping verbs are used, you have to put one equal to here, twice that of B's age at the time. So B plus 10. So you will get A's and B's relation here. Here also you will get A's and B's relation here. Then you can get the answer correctly as quickly as possible. Okay, so this is how if you are solving the question using what you call the traditional method, always you have to focus on past, present and future. Past, present and future. If you are going from past to present, suppose I can tell before 10 years my age was 18 years. Before 10 years, 10 years ago my age was 18 means now it will be 28, right? After 10 years how much will be my age? After 10 years will be 38. So that means if you are going from past age to present ages, you have to add the ages. You have to add the ages. If you are going from present to future, so like I am telling right now my age is 28. After 10 years it will be how much? It will be 38. So from present to from future if I am going, from present to future if I am going, you have to add the ages. You have to take it as positive. You have to take it as sum. But whenever you are coming from future to present, that means 10 years after, if my age is 38, now what will be my age? What is the percentage of now? It will be 28, right? So from future to present means you have to take it as minus, and from present to if you are coming back always, from future to present means you are coming backwards, then you have to take the negative values. You have to take the difference between them. Whenever you are coming from present to, if you are going forward, you have to take positive values. So generally they will ask you to solve the questions, they will frame the question, the examiners will frame the question using three concepts: percentages, ratios and averages. Let's see once that one. If I tell you, let's see from percentages. Percentages, if I tell you A's age is 150% of B's age. Okay, 150% of B's age. If sum of ages is suppose how much I will give you? Suppose if I give you 50, what is A's age? I am just taking the random values. If needed, I will change the value. Okay, let's focus on the data first. So A's age is 150% of B's age. The sum of their ages. Sum of their ages means A and B are there. A plus B is equal to how much? 50. So whoever is given the last person, in percentages also we have seen, the last person age you have to take it as 100%. Okay, so this will be 150%, right? So what is the ratio? If you take the convert let me convert this percentage into ratio. This is 3:2. So 3 parts is this one, 2 parts is this one. How much it will be? So this 3:2 is the ratio. 3:2 means it is 3x and 2x. 3x plus 2x, that is equal to 50. 5x is equal to 50. X is equal to 10. What is A's age? It is 3x. 3x is equal to 3 into 10, that is 30. Okay, what is A's age? It is 30. What I am telling, A's age is 150% of B's age. Or you can do AB. B's age, if you take it as 100%, A's age will be 150%. Okay, 150%. So total it will be 250%. 250% they have given the value as 50. What is 150%? 150 value. You know the relation. If it is into 5 here, same thing, or divided by 5. Into 5 from here, or if you see like this, it will be divided by 5. Here also divided by 5, it will be 30. Whatever method you can go, you can convert the percentage into a fraction, or that means a ratio, or you can keep it in the percentage as well. Now if I give you like this, A's age is 50% more than B's age. 50% more than B's age. B's age is 200, let's say 100% more than C's age. Okay, C's age. If sum of their ages, sum of ages is equal to, let's say 60. What is A's age, B's age and C's age? What you can do, you write like this: A, B and C. A, B and C. Whoever is not being compared, or whoever's name is given last, what you can take? You can take it as 100% at last. 100%. B's age is 100% more than C's age. 100% more than C's age means B's age will be 200%. B's age will be 200%. A's age will be 50% more than B's age. 50% more than means, what is 50% in this one? 50% is nothing but 100%, right? 50 value. 50% of 200 is 100 value. 100 value more means it is 300. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 100 3s, 100 2s and 100 1s. Or you can take 600% is equal to 60 means 100% is equal to how much? 600% is equal to 60 means 100% is equal to 10. Or what is A's age? In ratios part we have seen, right? This is 3 by 6 into 60. This is 30. A's value is 30. Now if B value will be 20, C value will be 10. C value will be 10. You can convert the percentage into a fraction. But in the question they have given only in percentages. They have not given in ratios. So just convert the percentage into a ratio. That will be very easy. Or you can, what you can do, A's value is 300%, B's value is 200%, this is 100%. That means 600% is total. Adding all, 600% is equal to how much is the age? Total sum of ages is 60. This is also speaking about sum of ages. That is also speaking about percentage, sum of ages only. But this is in percentage, this is in value. So what is B? That is 300%. 300% is half of 600%. That means this is 30. Like that, you can convert a percentage into a fraction. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Next, suppose if I give you one more question, question number 3, right? If A's age is 200% of B's age, if A's age is 200% of B's age, and B's age is 50% more than C's age, and C's age is let's take one random value. This is 20% more than D's age. Let me give you the values later. Let's find out how we have done this one. Let's take the ratio. What is A is to B is to C is to D, and we'll try to find out what is the A value, B value, C value, D value by getting the value by taking this one. A, B, C, D all are there. So what you will do? D value you have to take it as 100%. C's age is 20% more than D's age. So C's age will be how much? 120%. 20% more means 120%. B's age is 50% more than C's age. What is 50% here? 50%. 50% means 60. 60 more. 60 more means this is 180. And A's age is 200% off. 200% off means double. What is double of this one? This is 360. Okay, where do we cancel this? Okay, you can cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 5, this is a 6, this is a 9, this is 18. Okay, this is 27, 27 plus 6, 33, 33 plus 5, 39, 39. Suppose this is 780, the sum of the A's. What is this one? 18 by 39 into 780. 39 ones are 39 twos are. The answer is 360. Is the age of A. Is the 360? This is half, right? This is 180 is the age of B, and this is 1/3. 1/3 here. 1/3 means 120 is the age of this guy, and I should have given it as 78, right? It is more believable. Okay, let me take it as 78 only. This is 25%, 20% more. This is 78. Suppose 78 means this is 36 years. This is 18, and this is 1/3 means this is 12. This is 5 by 39 into 78. This is 10 years. Total, how much you have to get? 78 years. Whether we are getting or not, see here. This is 6. Oh, we are not getting. Somewhere I have done wrong. This is 1/3, 12, and this is 5 by 39 into 2. Into 2, into 2, into 2, and into 2. It should be 76, right? Okay, calculation you can do it later. This is 10, this is 16, and this is how much? 476 it is. So this is also 76 only. I have calculated it as wrong. 11, 20, 78 only. is 36, 18. Yo, somewhere I have done wrong. Okay, leave it off. What is the ratio? It is 18:9:6:5. 18:9, 27, 27 plus 6, 33, 33 plus 5, 38 only. 38 means is 76. Sorry, 76. 76 if you take, you will get the answer. That is about a percentage method. Percentage method means we'll see the standard questions in whenever we are starting the next video. But in this, focus on how to solve the question. How to solve the question in percentages. You have to take the last percent value as 100% and you can make out A's age. A's age is the relation I have given. The relation I have given it as, just give me 1 minute. The relation between A's age and B's age I have given. So A plus B, 3x, 2x, 5x, and then you can get the answer. Here I have taken 3%. So relation you can take, convert into ratios, you will get the answer. Here the same thing, 4% I have given the relation A, B, C, D, and you can get the answer correct. Okay. So once we see the questions, you will understand more. But the ratio methods are very, very important. Ratio method is very, very important. Ratio method means they will ask, this is the examiner's favorite. Maybe percentage also they will take, they will give, but ratio method definitely they will give. Now if I tell you there is one father, then there is a son. Sum of the ages of father and son. Sum of the ages of father and son, suppose if I give you 60 years, and after 10 years, father age is twice that of son's age. What is the age of father? What is the age of son? Okay. Suppose the age of father is F and age of son is S. After 10 years means this is F plus 10 and this is S plus 10 is equal to how much? After 10 years, age of son is equal to twice that of father. Age of father is equal to twice that of son. So F plus 10 is equal to 2S plus 20. So F minus 2S is equal to 10. But F plus is equal to 60. What is son's age? If you take minus, suppose this is 70. Suppose if I take 70 here. So this is minus 3S is equal to minus 60. S age is equal to 20. S age is equal to 20, but F age will be father's age will be 50. If you see, if you go by options like this, father's son's age we got, father's age we got, there will be an option of 20 and 50, right? What you can do? After 10 years, this guy's age will be 30, and after 10 years, the father's age will be 60. This is twice or not? Father's age is twice that of son. Then the condition which I have given is correct or not? So like that you can do. Or twice means you can go like this, or you can take 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. What you can do, ratio method again means after 10 years it will be double, right? So father's age is to son's age is 2:1. When this is after 10 years, so whenever there is a ratio, you know that you can take 2x and x, right? 2x and x. This is after 10 years, the father's age is 2x, and now the son, after 10 years son's age is x. Now it will be how much? 2x minus 10 and x minus 10. The sum of their ages will be how much? This is 670. So this is 3x is equal to 90, x value is equal to how much? 30. 2x value is equal to 60. But what is this? Ages of son and father after 10 years. I have clearly mentioned here after 10 years, but now the ages will be how much? Now the ages will be 50 and 20. Minus 10 if you do. Okay. But the important model, there is one more important model. See here, if I tell you if I tell you the ages ages of A and B are in the ratio 3:4 after 7 years. Ages will become 4:5. What is present ages I want? Listen here, there are two persons, namely A and B. Their ages are in the ratio 3:4, but after 7 years, if you calculate, their ages are in 4:5. I am asking you to find out what is the present ages of those two people. Now let me take present once and future only, right? After means future. Suppose this is A's present age is, whenever they are giving the ratio, this is 3:4. I will tell you the shortcut method as well, but see the lengthy method also. 3:4 means you can write it as 3x and 4x. A's value is 3x and B's value is 4x. X cancel, it still remains 3 and 4. After 7 years, what is the future age? After 7 years, this is 3x plus 7 and this is 4x plus 7. But they have given after 7 years, the ratio will be in the form of 4:5. That means 3x plus 7 divided by 4x plus 7 is equal to 4 by 5. Cross multiply is equal to 15x plus 35 is equal to 16x plus 28. So x value is equal to 7. X value I got it as 7. But what is the age of A? That is 3x. Age of A is 3x. 3 into 7, that is 21. 4 into x, 4 into 7, 28. So what is the answer? 21 comma 28 is the answer. 21 comma 28 is the answer. Without using pen and paper also you can solve this question. But let's see again this method. How can you do? Ages of A and B are in the ratio 3:4. Ages of A and B are in the ratio 3:4. After 7 years it is 4:5. Now what I am asking you to find out, what is the present ages of A and B. So I am writing A value present age is 3x, B value present age is 4x. After 7 years it will become 3x plus 7. After 7 years it will be 4x plus 7. The ratio 3x by 7 plus 4x by 7, the ratio is in 4:5. Just cross multiply, x value you will get it as 7. X value, as soon as you got it as 7, just substitute here 3x value and 4x value, you will get the correct answer. What is ratio method? Ratio method, if you see, method number 2, this is shortcut. Very important, very easy. Okay, please listen here. A ratio method, what you can do is just write down what ratios they have given in the question. Okay, 3:4, 4:5. Okay, this is indicate like this. This is present and this is after 7 years. That is future. That means after 7 years. Now see the part difference. What is the part difference here? 1. What is the part difference here? This is also 1. Part difference is 1, part difference is 1. If part difference is same, only the shortcut will work. So 1 and 1 is there, then the shortcut will work. So from here to here, how much age got increased? In the value. Part is 1 only. Part is 1, the ratio value is 1. But that 1 ratio is equal to how much? It got increased by, from present to 7 years means 7 years it got increased. 1 chocolate cost is 7 rupees means 3 chocolates cost is 21 and 4 chocolates cost is 28. That is the answer. Again I will tell, see I am writing here again, see 3, what is the ratio I got? I have given 3:4, 4:5. Now part difference is 1, part difference is 1. 1 part is equal to how much I can write? 1 part is equal to 7. 1 chocolate cost is 7 means present column is this one only. Present is this one only. So 1 part is equal to 7 means 3 parts is equal to present. Percentage of A is 3 parts. 3 parts is equal to 7 3s are it is 21, 4 7s are it is 28. Same thing. So 1 part is equal to 7 means 3 parts is equal to 21 and 4 parts is equal to 28. Now tell me the answer, try it by yourself. A is to B present value. Present ratio is 4:5. Okay, future ratio, future after 8 years. A is to B is 5:6. What you can do? 1 part is equal to how much? 8. 4 parts is equal to how much? 32 and 5 parts is equal to 40. That's it. That is the answer. Okay. 1 part is equal to 8 means 4 parts is equal to 32 and 5 parts will be 40. 5 parts will be 40 is the correct answer of A and B. Okay. This is the ages of A and B after 8 years, but I am asking you to find out present always. So 32 comma 40 is the age. Or else we can, what we can do, traditional method. Only for this question I will do traditional method. From now on we will go with ratio method only. So, but you have to have a one backup. That's why I am telling this one, the lengthy method as well. Present ages and future ages. This is after 8 years. A, B, if you are talking about A, the percentage of A is 4x and B is 5x. After 8 years means this is 4x plus 8 and this is 5x plus 8. The ratio means fraction. 4x 8 plus 8 by 5x plus 8 is equal to how much? What is the future ratio? This is 5 by 6. This is 24x plus 48 is equal to 25x plus 40. X is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 I am getting. X is equal to 8 means this is 32 and this is 40. But you need not to do this much, directly you have to tell the answer. 4 parts, 5 parts means difference is 1 part. 5 parts and 6 parts means difference is 1 part. So it is not, it need not be 1, but it has to have the common value. Part difference should be equal. Part difference, here it is 1, here it is 1. Then you can apply the shortcut. If it is not equal, you have to make it as equal. That questions also will see, and you can take the answer. 8 parts. So 1 part is equal to 8 means 4 parts is equal to 32 and 5 parts is equal to 40. See here, if I am telling you A is to B directly, present value A and B, okay. Present it is 4 is to 5 after 10 years. Future is after 10 years, it is the ratio is 5 is to 6. Now how, this is 1 part, this is 1 part, 1 part is equal to how much? 10 years. 1 part is equal to 10 means 4 parts is equal to 40, 5 parts is equal to 50. That is the correct. If I tell you present ages are in the ratio A comma B, present ages are A and B, that is in the ratio A is to B is equal to, present it is 2 is to 3, but after 5 years, after let's say 4 years, after 4 years, the ratio is in the form of 4 is to 5. Okay. Now how to do this one? How to do what is present ages of A and B? So what is, how many parts is this one? 2 parts. How many parts is different? 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to how much? 4 years. 2 parts is equal to 4 means 2 parts is equal to 4. 2 parts is equal to 2 chocolates cost is 4 rupees means 1 chocolate cost is 2 rupees. 3 chocolates cost will be how much? 6 rupees. So 4 comma 6 is the answer. 4 comma 6 is the answer. If the percentages are in the ratio 4 is to 4 and 6 means after 2 years it will be 6. After 2 years, okay. 2 parts is equal to 4 means 1 part is equal to 2. After 4 years, okay, after 4 years, not after 2 years, after 4 years it will be 8 and after 4 years it is 10. What is the ratio? 4 is to 5 only. Yeah, we have got it, perfect. Yes or no? So part difference is same. Previously I used to take it as 1, now I am given it as 2, part difference is 2. 2 parts gap is equal to 4. 1 part gap is equal to 2, 3 parts gap is equal to 6. So 6 is the age of B and 4 is the age of A. Now let's see one more. Present ratio, present A is to B, ratio is let's say 5 is to 7. Now after 20 years, A is to B ratio has become 10 is to 14, not 10 is to 14, 10 is to 12, 5 parts and 5. So what is the difference here? 5, what is the difference here? 5. 5 parts is equal to how much? 5 parts is equal to 20 means 5 parts is equal to 20 means this guy's age is 20, 5 parts is equal to 20 means it is into 4 times, right? 7 parts is equal to how much? 7 4s are, it is 28. What are the ages? 20 is to 28. What is the ages? 20 and 28 is a ratio. So present and after 20 years. Present ages are in the ratio 5 is to 7. You can take 5x and 7x, and you can take plus 5 and 5x plus 5, 7x plus 5. That ratio you can equate to 10 is to 22, 10 is to 12, and you can get x value, and then you can get 5x value, and then you can get 7x value. But that is a lengthy method. What I am telling you, 5 is to 7 is there, 10 is to 12 is there. What is the part difference? 5. Part difference is 5. 5 parts is equal to how much? 20. 5 parts is equal to 20 means 1 part is equal to 4. 1 part is equal to 4. 5 chocolates cost is 20 rupees means 1 chocolate cost is 4 rupees only. 7 chocolates cost will be how much? 28 rupees. 7 fours. 4 ante, I mean for one value if it is 4, then it will be 28. Okay. Now if I give you ages are in the ratio, A is to B present ratio. Present it is in the ratio what do you call 5 is to 7, and after 3 years A is to B ratio is 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. What is the percentage of A? What is the percentage of B? I am asking. So what is happening here? Let's see. 5 is to 7 and 3 is to 4. Whenever you are getting increase of age, will the part difference increase or part value increase or decrease? The age increases, the part value also increases. Can I tell now my age is 5 and after 3 years my age will be 3? No, it is impossible. Here what is the part difference? It is 2. What is the part difference? It is 3. Part difference is unequal here. If part difference is not equal, what I have told you have to make it as equal. Now how to make it as equal? Please pay attention here. Now what is the part difference in this case? Like this it is 2. What is the part difference in this case? It is 1. Now observe carefully. This part difference you multiply with this one. Okay. From here whatever the part difference you got, you multiply here. Okay. Whatever the part difference you got, here you multiply. What is the new ratios here? Tell me. 5 is to 7 and 6 is to, but 4 2s is how much? 8. 3 2s it is 6, 4 2s it is 8. What I am doing, like this part difference I am taking, this multiplied by this multiplied with this. So what is this part difference? 1. What is the part difference? 1. 1 part is equal to how much? 1 part is equal to 3. 5 parts is equal to how much? It is 15. 1 part is equal to how much? It is 21. That is the correct answer. Or else you can go with this method also. This is 5x. This 5x plus how much? 3 by 7x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 4. This 20x plus 12 is equal to 21x plus 9. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 means 5x is 7x. 21 15. 15 21 are the answers here. 15 21. I hope it is clear. Part difference value, this side you multiply this part difference with this one, this part difference with this one, you will get the answer. Next, present ages are in the ratio. Suppose present ages A is to B is in the ratio. Not present ages. 4 years ago. 4 years ago, the ages of A and B are in the ratio. The ages of A and B are in the ratio, let's say 5 is to 4. But after 4 years hence, what is hence means? 4 years hence means 4 years after. 4 years after, suppose this is 6 is to 5. Now what is the present age of A and B? Present age of A and B I want. Present ages of A and B. Okay. So what I will write? 5 4 6 5. This is 4 years back, 4 years after. Now what is the difference between 4 years back and 4 years after? See, 4 years back my age was 24. 4 years after my age is 32. What is the difference of these two? It is 8, right? How we are getting 8? 4 years back I am going, 4 years future I am going. That means the difference is becoming 8. The difference between 4 years before and 4 years. If one is ago, one is after, just take this one as sum. This is 8. So one part is equal to 8 means 5 parts is equal to 40. 4 parts is equal to 32. 40 comma 32 are the ages 4 years back. Now what are the ages? It is 44 and 36. 44 and 36. Don't worry even if you don't understand, we'll see that in model questions as well. But for now, you go with this one. 5x, 4x is a old. Okay, that means ago, that is past. 4 years ago, I will take this as 4x and present. What will be? Present from past to present means you have to increase the value by 4. 4x by 4. Now future after 4 years. Now present age is 5x plus 4 means after 4 years it will be 5x plus 8, 4x plus 8. This ratio is in the form of 6:5. 6:5. So let me write this on 5x plus 8 by 4x plus 8 is equal to 6 by 5. This is 25x plus 40 is equal to 24x plus 48. This is x is equal to how much? 8. X is equal to 8 means this is 5 8s are, it is 40. 40 plus 4, it is 44. And 4 into 8, 32 plus 4 is 36. These are the present ages. Present ages. But 4 years ago, 4 years hence means what you will take? Before 4 years, after 4 years means you have to add these two values in order to get one part value. One part value will be how much? 8. One part value is 8, but you can't tell directly 40 and 32 are the answers because these are 4 years ago. But I want present ages, right? What is the present ages of? What are the present ages of A and B? That is 44 and 36. We'll see one more. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, the ratio is of A and B. Suppose this is 7:8. But 5 years after, the ratios are 8:9. What is present ages? I am asking of A and B. What you will take? Difference is 1. Difference is 1. One part is equal to how much? One part is equal to 5 plus 5. It is 10. One part is equal to 5 means 7 parts is equal to 70. 8 parts is equal to 80. But these are what ages? These are past ages. This column, this row belongs to past. So 5 years ago my age is 70 means now what is the age? 75. 5 years ago my age is 80 means now what is the age? 85. This is A's age, this is B's age. 75 comma 85 is the answer. Okay, 75 comma 85 is the answer, or you can take 7x, 8x as the past ages. 7x plus 5 and 8x plus 5 are the present ages. 7x plus 10 and 8x plus 10 are the future ages, and you can get the relation between the future age. They have given the relation between future age, right? What is the ratio? They have given it as 8:9. Okay, one complex question we will see. The remaining we will see in the model questions itself. So present ages are not present ages. 4 years ago, the ratios are in the ratio, the ages are in the ratio 3:4. Okay, or let's say 5:7 only. 5:7, and 4 years hence. 4 years after, 4 years after in the future, it will be 3:4. 5:8 if I take 5, just give me 1 minute, only 1 minute. Okay, perfect. What are the present ages if I take? What are the present ages? See here, this is 5:8 and this is 3:4. What is the part difference here? Part difference is 2 and the part difference is 2 here. Sorry, not 2, this is 4. Okay, part difference is not equal. How to make it as equal? This part difference you multiply with this one. this part difference you multiply with this one. So the ratio will become 5 into 1 5, 8 into 1 8, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 3 12. What is the part difference? 4. What is the part difference? 4. 4 parts is equal to how much? 4 parts is equal to total, this is 8. 4 parts is equal to 8 means 1 part will be 2. 1 part is equal to 2 means 5 parts is equal to 10. 8 parts is equal to 16, but these are not the ages now. The ages are 14, 20. Because these are the ages 4 years ago. Now what is the age? 14, 20. Okay. I hope this is clear for you. Or else what we can do? We can go with the normal method. I am taking the normal method here. So past, present, future. If you have seen the dark series, they will tell the beginning is the end and the end is the beginning, right? So like, but in ages it will be from linear only. It is not bent. The time is not in the bent form. It is linear only from past to present, present to future only. Okay, let me take this as a, if you have a ratio, you can take in the form of x. That means this is 5x and this is 8x. This is 5x and this is 8x. But after 4 years means this is 5x plus 4 and this is 8x plus 4. This should be the values which we are going to find out. In order to do so, you have to find out what is the x. This is 5x plus 8. After 4 years means you have increased 4 years as well. So the ratio between these two, the ratio is 3 by 4. This is 20x plus 32 is equal to 24x plus 24. This 4x is equal to 8, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 means substitute here. 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 it is 14. 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 4 it is 20. So what is 14 is to 20? Or else directly you are getting here. Okay, one more question on ratios and we'll see averages. Ratios means 5 years ago. 5 years ago, the ratio of A and B, it is in the ratio 1:5. 1:5, but now 5 years hence, the ratio of A is to be in the ratio what do you call this, is 2:6 if I take, or 1:3. 1:3. Let me change the values if I get anything wrong. Okay, 1:5, 1:3. What is the part difference here? 2. What is the part difference here? 4. You multiply this part difference here. This will become 2:10. This part difference here, this part difference here. This is 4 is to how much? 4 3s are, it is 12. Okay, 2 parts equal like what? 2 parts is equal to how much? This is 10. 2 parts is equal to 10 means 1 part is equal to 5. So put 2 parts is equal to 10. 10 parts is equal to 50. So this is after 5 years, present means it is 15, 55 are the ages. 15, 55 are the ages. That means the present is in the ratio 3:11. They may ask like that as well. So what is the ratio of present ages? That is 3:11. Or else we will see what we can do. This I can take it as x. This I will take it as 5x. After 5 years, it will be x plus 5, and this is 5x plus 5, and this will be x plus 10, and this is 5x plus 10. The ratio is in the form of 1/3. Is 3x plus 30 is equal to 5x plus 10. This is 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 means this is 15, and 5 into 10 it is 50. 50 plus 5, 55. The same thing I got, but this is taking a bit more time, that is taking a bit less time. So ratio shortcut method only you can go. So that is about ratios. Let's move to averages. Averages, if I tell you, just give me 1 minute. Average. So average age of A and B, A, B, C is average age of A, B and C is 30 years. Okay, the average age of A and B, only if two members are there, A and B is, let's say, it's a 40. What is age of C? What is age of C I want? The question is this one, right? We'll see the shortcut, we'll do the lengthy method. Both are almost the same. So A, B and C. Average means what is the formula? Average I have given of A and B and C. Average of A and B and C, I have given the value as 30, right? What is the average formula? Average is nothing but sum of observations divided by total number of observations. How many number of observations are there? 3. So A plus B plus C value is how much? A plus B plus C value will be 90. So take this one as first equation. Now average of A and B. Average of A and B. Average of A and B is sum of observations. Sum of 40 they have given. A plus B by 2 is equal to 40. A plus B is equal to how much? 80. Now in A plus B plus C, if sum of 3 A's is 90, sum of 2 B plus C is 80 means 80 plus C is equal to 90. 80 plus C is equal to 90 means C value is equal to 10. But you need not to do this much to answer the question. How many people are there? 3 people are there. They are associating the word with averages, right? If 3 percentage, average is always speaking about 1%. 1% is 30 means at an average, 3% will be how much? 90. So A plus B plus C value is 90. Now if 3% are there, multiply with 3. If you want sum of ages. How many persons are there here? 2% are there. You multiply with 2. So 40 into 2 it is 80. 30 into 3 it is 90. 90 minus 80 it is 10 years. That is the answer. Need not use pen and paper. 3 persons are there, into 3 you do. This is 90. 2 persons are there, into 2 you do. 80. I am asking C value, right? So you eliminate A plus B plus C value to A plus B value, you will get 10. Take the difference. If I tell you A, B and C average age of A, B and C is 60. Average age of A and B is let's say 75. Now what is the age of C? Now what you can do? How many people are there here? 3 persons are there here. So into 3, if you do, what you will get? 180. If how many people are there here? 2 persons are there. So into 2 if you do, how much you will get? 150. What you have to do next? Take the difference. What is the answer? 30. What is the age of C? 30 in this case. If I tell you average age of A, B, C, D is 50. Average age of A, B, C is 60. What is the age of D? Now what you will do? How many people are there in the first statement? 4 are there. 4 into 50 is 200. How many people are there here? 3 persons are there. 3 into 60, that is 180. Now what you will take? Difference. C age, D age is how much? D age is 20. D age is 20. Suppose if I give you average age of A, B, C is 60. Average age of B, C, D is 70. If D's age is, if D's age is if D's age is suppose 80, what is age of A? I have given the random values. If possible, I will change the question. So into 3 is there. So 3 people are there. Into 3 means A plus B plus C value is 180. Into 3 means this is 210. So A plus B plus C value is how much? 180. B plus C plus D value is how much? This is 210. So minus 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 minus. B cancel, C cancel. D minus A, second equation minus first equation. 210 minus 180, it is 30. But D value I have given it as 80. D value I have given it as 80. 80 minus A is equal to 30. So A is equal to how much? A is equal to 50. All these questions, I think we have seen a similar type of question in averages concept as well, but not a age value. There I have put salary value. Well, it is one and the same, right? I have told you A, B, C salary is 60,000, B, C, D salary is average salary is 70,000, like that. But since we are doing ages, we have seen the ages. Okay, I hope you understood something, at least something. We have seen 3 types of questions. First of all, if you want to solve the question in traditional method, always you have to go from past, present and future. So present age is A means previously it will be minus. If you are going from present to past, it will be minus. If you are going from present to future, it will be plus. So they might give you the relation between their future values, that they will give you the ratio. After 10 years, maybe the ratio is 4:5, 4:1, like that. I have given one example here. After 10 years, A's age will be twice that of B's age, means it will be A plus 10 is equal to twice that of B's age. If I have given you percentage ages means A's age is 150% of B's age, means A's age will be 1.5 more, right? 1.5 times more. Or else what you can take, B value is 100% means A's age will be 50% more. Or 150%. 150% means exactly 150%. Ratio you can find out, this is 3:2. You can write 3x and 2x, or 5x, so x is equal to 10, or you can write 3 parts or 2 parts, total 5 parts. 5 parts value is how much? 50. 5 parts value is 50 means 3 parts value is 30, 2 parts value is 20. 5 parts, 5 chocolates cost is 50 rupees, means 1 chocolate cost will be 10 rupees. 3 chocolates cost will be how much? 30 rupees. 2 chocolates cost will be how much? 20 rupees, like that. Next, A's age is 50% more than B's age. B's age is 100% more than C's age. 100% more than C's age means this is twice, it has become twice, and this is 50% more. What is 50% more? 50% of 200 is 100. 100 more means this is 300. 3:2:1 is the ratio. A's value will be exactly half, that will be 30. Next, what we have seen, A, B, C, D relation, right, like this. The same thing they have given in SSC CGL Tier 2 as well. I think one of the Tier 2 questions is based on these 4 only. Okay. So many times you have to write, had to write in time, speed and distance also you have to write like this. Time and work also you will write like this only in percentages. But in this ages also I am writing like this only, 18, 9, 6 and 5. So ratio method we have seen plainly, we have seen this one, or you can go with ratio method like that. Or we have seen after present ages are in the ratio 3:4, after 70 it is 4:5 means how to find out the ratio method, it is 1 part difference is equal to 7 means 3 parts is equal to 21, 4 parts is equal to 28, like that. Now here also 4:5 means you can write as 3:4 means 3x 4x, but after 7 years they are telling me 3x plus 7 4x plus 7, that ratio is equal to 4:5. That ratio is equal to 4:5. Just cross multiply, x value you will get and substitute the x value here, x value 3x and 4x. Or else here also 1 part difference, 1 part difference, 1 part is equal to 8 means 4 parts is equal to 32, 5 parts is equal to 40. Or else 4x 5x, 4x plus 8, 5x plus 8. If you are going from present to future, you have to add the values. So the ratio here 4x plus 8, 5x plus 8 is equal to 5x, x is equal to 8 I am getting. X is equal to 8 means 4x value is the age of A, that is 32, and 5x is the age of B, that is 40. A and B, 1 part is equal to 10 means A, 4 parts is equal to 40, 5 parts is equal to 50. Present A is 5:7, A is to be 10:12 means 5 parts is equal to 20, 7 parts is equal to how much? 28. Now, if part difference should be equal, if part difference is not equal, you have to make it as equal. How to make it as equal? See here, part difference is, what is the part difference here? 2. What is the part difference? 3. Difference is not equal means what you have to do? You have to take the difference like this and multiply this difference with the another ratio and the difference here to the other ratio. So, alternatively you will multiply. The difference which I got taking the part difference here will be multiplied with the first ratio. The first the ratio part difference will be multiplied to the second ratio, like that. If then part difference will be equal, you can see here, and once you know part difference, you can know if it is equal, you can equate them and you can get the answer. Percentages we have seen, this is 5x or 4x, 5x plus 4, say 4x plus 4, that all 4 years ago, 4 years hence means just add these two. If it is both, I mean if it is one is past, one is future means only you have to add. If both are future, then you have to minus. If both are past, you have to minus only. But one is past and one is future means then you have to add to get the part difference here. How I got 8 here? How I got 8 equating to 8? Because I have added these two, 4 parts and 4 parts. Here also 5 years ago, 5 years after means total 10 value I will get. 10 value I will equate. 10 value I will get, 10 value, 75 and 85 is the answer here. So 4 years ago, 4 years after, I have seen the part difference is not same as well, but 3 is the difference here parts. So this 3 will be multiplied here, this 1 will be multiplied here. So 5 is to 8, 9 is to 12, 4 parts is equal to 8 means. But you please be careful, they will ask you to find out percentages. Most of the people will end up having until here and they will put this 10 and 16 as the answer. But 10 and 16 are the ages of A and B 4 years ago. 4 years ago 10 and 16 means now it will be 14 and 20. 14 and 20. Next 5 years ago, this is averages what we have seen, 3%, 2% means you can go with this formula method or directly 3% means into 3 you do, 2% means into 2 you do, you 90 and 80 you will get. Next this into 3 into 2 that is 150, 81 is 150, 130, 4%, so 3% I have given. So that is 2. Suppose if I give you A, B, C, D are in the ratio, A, B, C, D, the average value is 50. A's age and B's age, average of A's age and B's age is, let's say, 20. What is average of C's age and D's age? Suppose. Now into 2 into 4 means, so 4 members into 4 means this is 200. The 2 members only into 2 means this is 40. Total 160. 160 is the total age, right? 160 is the total age. I am asking average age. Average ages will be 80. Average ages will be 80. Okay. This we have seen. So this also we have seen. This anyway we will see the standard questions. These are just the example question. We are going with what do you call the example questions. So whatever comes to my mind, I have to keep it as fresh as well, right? So whatever comes to my mind, I am throwing the values because of the way we are going to solve will not change. So we have seen percentages, ratios and averages in ages concept. So they may ask any one of this, but ratios are very important. Ratios are very important. So if you haven't watched, if you haven't done with the ratios concept, please go back and solve these questions. Get it done with the ratios concept and come back. If you don't watch, if you don't know what is ratios, you will be difficult. It will get difficult for you to solve ages questions. So please go back to and watch percentages, averages and ratios first and come back. Main importantly ratios. So I hope you understood at least something today. So thank you so much. This will be the end of